The elephant hospital sits within 800 acres of forest. On their doorstep is an elephant sanctuary, home to 111 elephants. One whole family of elephants, called the Prang Boon herd, is coming together for morning breakfast.
Like a big family reunion in the morning. So exciting.
They were donated to the hospital by a sanctuary owner who was too old to handle the growing herd's needs. Like humans, they are social and form deep family bonds. So it's important not to separate them.
Elephant social structure is all about the family. The natural system is a core group of females, mothers with daughters, grandmothers, aunties. They live in a multi-generational family, all looking out for each other, all helping each other.
The Prang Boon herd will live out their days at the hospital sanctuary alongside other rescued elephants.